everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Today we are here at Target. We are looking to find some awesome makeup. If you're interested and you want to see what Target has in their makeup section, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so we are here in Target. First stop is the skincare section. This is Neutrogena's Hydro Boost collection. They have the beautiful Kerry Washington for their advertisement. So the first thing is this Hydro Boost serum. This serum is used after cleansing and it is oil free, so if you do have oily skin, it won't clog your pores. So if you're someone with oily skin or medium to combo skin, it's really good to get moisturizers and serums that don't have oil, because if you do, it can cause your skin to have a lot of buildup and then you'll have a lot of texture on your skin when you apply makeup. So look for things that don't contain a lot of oil. They have a bunch of different products in their Hydro Boost collection, and I really like their cleanser. It removes makeup and helps with impurities on the face. So next we're getting into Neutrogena. These are products from their Rapid Wrinkle Repair collection. It contains a lot of retinol. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which makes your skin look younger and it gives it more moisture. This is their Rapid Wrinkle Repair Regenerating Cream, and it is supposed to help your skin look younger and youthful within a week. They also have this Tone Repair Dark Spot Corrector, and I love anything that's a dark spot corrector because I'm someone who kind of picks up my bumps and then I create dark spots on my face. So I definitely want to try this out and see if it helps out with dark spots. Next, we're getting into Olay. This first product is their Olay Regenerist Night Recovering Cream. It is fragrance free and it is designed to penetrate 10 surface layers deep to help restore skin cells. This next product is their Revitalift Brightening Duo Overnight Moisturizer. This product combines 2 treatments into one, which is awesome, and it brightens skin overnight and reduces the look of dark spots, wrinkles, and fine lines. That is so awesome that it combines all of that into that duo. Combining 2 treatments into one is such a cool idea, and I really want to test this out. Coming up, we have the new Olay Whips. These are designed to feel light as air, so it's a cream to liquid consistency, so when you put it onto your face, it absorbs and it doesn't leave your skin feeling oily. So the first one is the Total Effects. That is a moisturizer with 7 benefits in one. The next one is the Regenerist, which reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles. So they came out with 3 of these, and the last one is the Luminous Whip, which is a brightening moisturizer which hydrates the skin and minimizes the look of pores. These are designed to feel really weightless and leave the skin feeling soft, matte, and smooth. So now we're getting into the Olay Classics. This has been around for a minute. My mom used it when she was a little girl and she suggested that I try it out. I got the Classic Moisturizer in the pink box and it is awesome. I use it for a primer before my makeup every day to moisturize my face. I definitely recommend it. So getting into makeup, e.l.f. just did a collaboration with Christian Siriano. So there's 4 pieces in this collection. The first is an eyeshadow palette. It is described as being like a bouquet of flowers with a mix of bold and subtle colors with different textures. Then he came out with a lip gloss, a matte lipstick, and a really cute cosmetic bag. So this is the brand Yes To. It's one of my favorite skincare lines, and I was so happy to see that Target has such a wide variety of masks and skincare from their line. Their products are free of nasty, toxic ingredients, and they contain at least 95% natural ingredients, which is really awesome for the skin. Alright guys, jumping into Pixi. As you can see, Target has an amazing display. These first two products are in collaboration with Dulce Candy. She came out with two multi-use palettes. The palette on the left can be used for lips, eyeshadow base, for blush to bring color to the face. I love this one so much. You can use it for bronzer, highlighting, eyeshadow all over the body to highlight your collarbone. It's gorgeous. Pixi also has amazing skincare. This on the left is a double cleanser. It has like a cleansing oil that removes dirt and makeup, and then a cream to re-nourish the skin. Coming up are these serums and mists. The Sun Mist is like a sheer sunscreen mist with bamboo and chamomile. Then there's a Vitamin Wake Up Mist, which is a toner that tones and awakens the complexion. A makeup setting spray mist, a deeply hydrating mist for dry skin, and then a glow mist that gives a glowing, luminous complexion, and it can be used to set makeup for a dewy finish. Coming up are masks and hydrations. I thought the T-Zone Peel Off Mask is super cool. It's an avocado and green tea mask, and it's a pore purifier. We add a ton of makeup to our T-zone, so this mask is awesome to have to really clean out those pores. So next we're getting into treatments. I really like the Glow Peel Pads. They are enriched pads with vitamin E and aloe, and you just apply them to your face, neck, and hands. You leave them on for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you rinse them with cold water, and then you get this beautiful glow. So I definitely want to test these out. Next, getting into makeup remover, they have cleansing cloths and then lash conditioning remover pads, which remove makeup and it conditions your lashes at the same time, which I thought was super cool. Pixi also has nice foundation and contour powders, really pretty bronzers and blushes, and awesome liquid foundations. There's the H2O Skin Tint Water Base Gel Foundation, which gives a flawless no makeup look. They also have prep and prime, so they have great primers. There's the minis on the right, and then on the left they have the bigger sizes. They also have concealers, a translucent powder, which is really cool. I definitely want to try it out. Alright, picking back up, they have a glow section. I really like their Glow Tonic. It's a toner that helps brighten the complexion and gives a healthy glow look to the skin. It exfoliates and smooths the skin. There's aloe and ginseng and botanical extracts in this. So I've never really seen a toner that gives glow. Most toners really strip the skin of oils, so it's cool that there's a toner that gives glow. And I also really like this highlighter duo. The colors look so nice. It's described as having a creamy skin-like texture, so I bet it's really soft and it's really pretty on the skin. These are their liquid fairy lights. They remind me of the Stila liquid eyeshadows, and they glimmer and they have really beautiful shine to them. These are super sparkly, very long lasting, so I would definitely recommend anyone who wants to put a little bit of glimmer on their eyes or give your eyes some shine and pop. This is their Eye Reflection Shadow Palette. It is a 12 pan palette. It has creamy shades, glowy shades, 3D metallic shades, and also matte shades. So I thought that was really neat that they have all of those incorporated into one palette. They look really beautiful. You can definitely take this palette on the go, on vacation, and create so many looks from it. So So coming up is this line from Stanya Kashuk. She has been with Target for a while, and she has amazing brushes, amazing makeup sponges and tools, beautiful eyelashes. She is a celebrity makeup artist who recently, I think in 2016, brought her brand to Target. So I definitely love all of the tools that she has. They're gorgeous. I love the packaging, and the brushes are so soft. There's so many to choose from. Each one of them are really nice and fluffy and look like they would apply really well to the skin. I love the price range. I love the quality. I also love how she makes them into kits, so you can buy a kit if you really like a brush. I did end up getting this kit here. I loved how the brush felt. It was really fluffy, really nice, so I can't wait to use it when applying my foundation. So if you're ever in Target and you're looking for new beauty tools, I definitely suggest that you try her line out. I love how the price range is. See, look, you can get this beautiful starter kit for such a good price. All those brushes along with a makeup bag, so definitely try her out. guys, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see from me in the future. Let me know what product you like best that you saw on Target. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that alert button, so you can know when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.